Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I am going to show you how we can disable Xbox game bar in your window 11, okay, for laptop or desktop. So let's start the video. So first we need to go in settings. So come here in search bar and search for settings. Okay, under the setting we need to go in systems. Under the system, just scroll down and search for that system components. Okay, here you can see that game bar option. Just click on this three dot option. Okay, and go to the advanced options. Under the advanced options we need to go in background component permission. So make it never, and terminate that the immediately terminate the system component and its release process. So just terminate it. Okay, now come to the gaming option here, and here come to the gaming bar, and here you need to switch off this switch. Okay, it will be help you to prevent controller to open your game bar by mistakenly. Okay, so now it's done. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.